Today, we'll present Flexi Charts gadgets, the most versatile charting option with a wide array of customization possibilities. First, go to your dashboard to add a rich filter Flexi Charts gadget. Click Add a new gadget and type Rich Filter Flexi in the Add a Gadget search field. Click Add. In the configuration form, select your rich filter. Leave chart type as the default donut type. For the statistic type, select priority, and for value, select story points. Click Submit. The gadget displays a donut chart showing story points sum broken down by priority. You can now change the default display, click Configure Gadget, and check Filter Out None. Now, items with an empty priority type won't be included in the chart. From the Sort by dropdown, select the Total option. This sorts the chart data in descending order by the number of story points. If you check the Reverse Sort Order option, the chart data sorts by the number of story points in ascending order. You can also change the chart type to suit you best. Select Pie, Gauge, Bar, or Other to set a favorite display. Let's add a second Flexi Charts gadget for a two-dimensional chart. Add another Rich Filter Flexi Charts gadget. Again, select your rich filter. Select Clustered Bar as the chart type. For primary breakdown, statistic type, select Status. For secondary breakdown, statistic type, select Priority. For value, select Original Estimate. Click Submit. The gadget displays a clustered bar chart with the sum of the original estimate broken down by status and priority. When you click the Show Table button, you can display quick tables that provide details of the data summarized in the charts. You can sort the data by clicking the arrow controls in the relevant column and row headings. Try activating quick filters in your controller gadget. All charts based on the same rich filter update automatically to reflect active filters. You can go back to the previous quick filters setting by clicking the arrow icon, or go forward just like in your browser. You can also define your individual presets and save them by label. Click the Presets icon. Apply your quick filters, for example, select the Assign to Me static filter. From the Priority Dynamic filter, select Highest, High, and Medium Priority. For the Status Dynamic filter, select all statuses except for Closed. Click Apply and create presets. Name your presets, for example, My Items, and change the display color. Click Save. You can now select multiple filters with just one click. Perfect. Flexi Charts gadgets give you highly customizable and interactive charts, from simple donuts to complex two-dimensional bar charts, providing immediate visual insights. Continue exploring by checking out our fundamentals and advanced articles in the Learning Center for even deeper insights. Thanks for watching.